This video will cover how to pack a road bike in a Bikeflights Bike Box Large, or BBL, for a Breakthrough T1D event. The latest version of the Bikeflights Bike Box Large is optimized for shipping road bikes because it's designed so that you don't have to remove your rear wheel and rear derailleur. Packing the Bikeflights Bike Box Large is a simple process that requires you to do these 10 key steps. First, shift the derailleur to the easiest to pedal gear. Next, remove the pedals. Remember, your left pedal is threaded the opposite way. Remove the front wheel. This is a great time to remove the rotor as well. If you have hydraulic disc brakes, it's also a good idea to put a spacer in your front brake caliper and secure it with a rubber band, zip tie, or tape. Replace your front wheel with our cardboard fork block and patented dropout spacer, which is sized to fit 9 different axle widths. Mark your seat height with electrical tape before lowering or removing it. Place your bike inside the box, making sure your rear wheel slides into the rear wheel slot. You may need to adjust the position of your handlebars or hoods to prevent them from coming in contact with the side of the box. You may also need to remove your handlebars so that your bike fits. Insert the wheel sleeve next to your bike, followed by your front wheel. Protect your paint job using household items such as tube wraps, old towels, rags, pipe foam, etc. Utilize the perforated holes and included bungees to secure your rear wheel, front wheel, and other parts to prevent movement inside the box. Don't forget to pack your seat post. Use a small parts bag to hold pedals, tools, and accessories. You can slide the small parts bag along with water bottles and rotor into the openings on either side of the rear wheel slot for safekeeping during transit. Now that your bike is packed, be sure to take photos of your pro-pack job. They will help expedite the claims process in the unlikely case damage occurs. Next, use bikeflights.com to ship your bike the best way by either scheduling a pickup or dropping your bike off at a UPS store to get your shipment underway. The next time you see your bike, it will be assembled by Breakthrough T1D Bike Room staff and ready to ride. Check out our videos on how different styles of bikes can be packed in the latest version of the Bike Box Large. Ship the best way with bikeflights.com. We ship, you ride.